Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Good morning sa inyong lahat. Nandito ako sa garden ng school. Kasi these gardens guys, honest is, school or people in school, they allowed people to plant here if you want. If you want to plant, you're welcome. And then I decide to plant, it's only yesterday, but may na yan guys, nilagyan ko ng ganito guys. I put like this, that, to bind, what do you call that? Long beans, because this is long beans guys. Sitaw in Tagalog, yeah. Dito, ito pa lang, isang row pa lang, at saka yung doon. Titignan ko guys kung nagtubo na, kasi sa totoo lang, here in Philippines, even that it's not your, if you don't have land, you can borrow to the neighbor's place, the important is how to ask their permission before you plant. And I know naman that people here in Santa Cruz, they are welcome to plant here you can make a garden here in backside of school. So I'm so lucky I'm decide to do something that you can earn later. Yes. Ito guys, may tumubo na guys. Yung sitaw ko tumubo na. Ito guys, Ito, this is sitaw. This one is sitaw. And then I wish that it's gonna be more because I plant, yeah. Itong dalawang row na to, dalawang line, this one, one row, and here, second. So I have 3 row already. Ginawa ko to guys. I'm proud that, I'm done doing alone without helping, without asking help from my family. I remove grass. Ayan, I remove grass and then plant sitaw and sitaw in okra, and then I have a new plants that I hope that it's it's eggplant naman. Kasi guys, may plano ako. Magtatanim ako nito to earn extra. I hope that I can earn extra and for food too. Yun din. Yun din ang purpose ko. Kailangan kong tanggalan ng dry leaves because there's a dry leaves already. Nagtubo naman siya guys, pero I need to wait because some of that is not coming yet. Maybe because I plant deeper. Kasi dapat mga ganun lang guys para madali siyang tumubo. So I make it more deeper. Sa Tagalog, malalim ang butas ng mga seeds, kaya parang it's not easy to come out, parang ganun. Pero I try my best to plant another plant if it's not come, but this time I need to be patient to wait because I think it's take 1 week already that I plant this, but not all of that is coming. There's 1, 2, 3 pa lang ang lumitaw na sitaw. Ayun guys, yun lang guys, naikwento ko lang kung anong ginagawa ko. Alam mo naman si Rogelia very masipag, and then nakita ko there's a space here in Vidal Hilito Memorial School that we can borrow a land to plant a vegetable. So I'm decided to plant guys instead of doing nothing. Honestly, I have a store, I'm busy enough, but I'm the type of person that workaholic kasi ako guys. Nung nasa Denmark ako, very workaholic ako na klaseng tao. Gustong-gusto ko na busy ako lagi to my daily lives. Parang routine ng buhay ko ay magdihot. Parang nanay ko, ganun. So, next time guys, if I have enough seeds, I will plant to my rice field in Ilaya. Ayun, kaysa empty, 'di ba? Much better that I will plant. That's my plan. I hope that it's happening someday or one day. Ayun lang guys, ayun ang ginagawa ko today. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo na kahit papano ay busy ang buhay ng lola mo. Ayun, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye!